Hello everyone, and in today's video we are going to do a full drive of the entire island of Bimini by golf cart. So you're going to see the whole island from top to bottom, the whole thing. I'm going to partially narrate just to give you some information and tell you where we're at. We are going to start here at the cruise and ferry port, so it's actually where all the ships are going to come in, and we're going to come down here, go to the right, and then when we head back we'll start here again and go to the left, so you kind of get your boundaries. So let's get started. This beach to our left is usually pretty busy, but there were no ships in port today, so it was only people staying in hotels or in Airbnbs. And that little thing that we just drove through that you saw was kind of big archway. It kind of almost separates the local neighborhood from the super big Resorts World area. Here on the left is Smitty's. It is brand new. It's not yet on Apple Maps, at least as of the end of June of 2023, but it is a new restaurant. And now we are entering Porgy Bay, which is another local area here on the Bimini Island. There's a restaurant called My Three Daughters hidden on the left right over here. It was one of our favorite spots to go to for food, so make sure you check that place out. And this is going to be your closest liquor store if you are staying at Resorts World. It was that building over to the right. Another famous spot up here on the left is going to be Stewart's Conch Shack. So there is a couple. There's actually only two, but that is Stewart's Conch Shack. And the other place to get the famous conch salad is going to be Joe's, which is here on the left. This green building to the right is going to be Charlie's Bread. I've heard nothing but good reviews. We didn't make it this trip, but I've heard really good things about that bakery. And we are now headed into Alicetown. On the left behind this wall, you are going to find another popular, kind of smaller resort or timeshare type place, and it's called Big Game Club Bar and Grill. And inside there is the Bimini Seafood Company, a fantastic restaurant as well. So you would just be pulling into their little golf cart parking here on the left to catch some of their food and enjoy their resort. Another really cool spot is up here on the right are going to be the remains of the house that Hemingway would actually spend some of his summers here in Bimini. Again, there are a few liquor stores, but we really liked M&S. It was very new, clean, and had a lot of options. Now we've pretty much reached the end of the south point of the island. As you can see to the right, there was a little cemetery, and then we will show you up in these trees a nice little spot that you can go to as well. So to reach the very end of this island, you're going to go up kind of at a diagonal right past the little graveyard. And then up here, you'll probably see some other tourists because it's a really great location. There is sprawling beaches. There's a little shipwreck. It's amazing up here. So make sure you take the time to check it out if you're on the south side of the island. Now we're back to that dock porting area, and we're going to head out here and now go to the left, which is going to be the north side of the island. This whole area over here on the right side is what they call Fisherman's Village. There's a bunch of shopping and food options. It's not open a whole lot when we were there, but it is open now and then. And then also on the right here is going to be pretty much your main hub to rent any golf carts. And the building that you've seen for a while now on the right side is going to be your Hilton / your Resorts World. As you can see up above, they have the tram leaving the main area, and then along the way on the left side is all parking for golf carts. And if you're looking for the main entrance to the casino attached to Resorts World, it is going to be up here on the right. And these big, beautiful homes on the right are typically used, from what I know, for mostly Airbnb purposes. We have finally made it to Beach 360 / Bimini's Beach Club, which is usually used by Resorts World. We're going to show you how the parking entrance would be if you turned at that first sign that you saw that said Beach 360. So you're going to turn left into this parking lot, and it's going to take you all the way down to the water's edge. Again, you can see Resorts World's tram dropping guests off here. And over to the right is going to be the entrance. Straight ahead is just going to be some beautiful water, and to the left is going to be some private housing and condos. Again, at this fork, to the left is going to be the beach club, and to the right down here, we're going to go as far north as they will let us go. Straight ahead is a restricted area because it is going to be where all of the new houses are being built, and that sign there said detour to the beach, so obviously you used to be able to go straight to get there, but now with all the construction, they have a little pathway to take you left to go to this beach area. Made it to the end of the north. Again, down there to the right is the area where they're doing new construction for some new homes, but this is as far as you can get to, and that's pretty much the entirety of the island. Thanks so much for watching. We hope it helped your future trip to Bimini. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our channel for all things Bimini. We had a great trip here with food, things to do, places to stay, everything you need to know. So check out our channel. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments, just leave them down below, and we'll see you next time.